Handmade super truck. Perfect work. I have never seen such a powerful master. If you call it second, you will never dare to say first. An ordinary piece of wood. It was played by the guy. The boy has followed his old father since he was a child. Learn engraving techniques. As the saying goes, one skill is close to the body, and food and clothing are worry-free. The boy is relying on himself. Years of practice in carving skills became a famous sculptor. A network of customers who come from all directions every day. Continuous orders are received softly. A customer from Guangzhou today pay a high price to ask a guy to help carve a super truck, ready to be the mascot of your own company. The guy started working without saying a word. It only took one day. The guy just made this super truck. It's just incredible. The customer was even more stunned when he saw it. I didn't expect every part to come to life. The details are there actually filled. After other customers saw it, also praised the guy. Let the guy make the same for himself. Boy, I really made a lot of money by relying on my own craftsmanship. Next, let's see how he made it. The process is very simple. You must be amazed to see the end. Understand what a master is in the folk.
Welcome to the Zone T team.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking P.I.M.P. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking P.I.M.P.
Please welcome to NetMG on the mix.
I don't know what you heard about me.
All production is coming to an end here. Although liking is love, not liking is duty. Craftsmen get up early every day. It's not easy to work hard. Believe you see here, nor for such a craftsman be stingy with a free life. I also hope to support such craftsmen. Your support is the driving force for our continuous creation. Thank you very much. How did it shock you? What do you think of the boy's craftsmanship? If you scored out of 10, how would you score? If you like craftsmen like this, remember to like the collection. Share more creative productions every day. See you next time. Thanks for watching.